Welcome to MultiTeach. In this video, I will demonstrate a previously created match lesson and then show how to build a new match lesson from scratch. Students demonstrate understanding of concepts by matching picture, symbol, or word cards to text. Two or more students can interact simultaneously on the screen. It's good for previewing and reviewing basic concepts and facts. It works well with other lessons and apps using the Zones feature. We'll start off with what can be done with the match lesson type in play mode. I'll select the lessons icon from the Tools section of the Snowflake MultiTeach main menu. This will lead to the lesson's home screen, where I'll open a previously created match lesson by pressing the play button located in the center of the thumbnail. In this example, a row of cards depicting the life cycle of a butterfly is displayed in the center of the screen. Students drag the cards to the correct placeholders near the bottom of the screen. Note, more than one student can interact with the content on the screen at the same time. The button at the top right corner of the screen can be toggled so students can see if their responses are correctly placed, allowing for self-correction. Each card can display images, text, or text along with images. Cards can also contain audio files and are activated when the cards are placed in the correct location. While in play mode, the corner icon can be pressed to select various menu options. For example, selecting the Hide Reveal icon when the cards are in the starting position will place the cards in the correct locations. Select the icon again and the cards will return to their original positions. The Restart button also returns the cards to the start of the lesson. While in play mode, the menu can be accessed to use tools that will enhance the learning experience of your students. In this example, the Zone feature is used to divide the screen into 4 sections, with one section containing the match lesson. Features in Snowflake MultiTeach make it easy to set up previously created lessons and projects on a large tabletop or vertical display. Each app or lesson in a Zone section has its own menu. In this example, I'll use the Rotate button for the upper 2 zones to orient them for use on a tabletop display. Here, I'll rotate them back and show the Swap Zones feature. Simply select the Swap Zones button, then tap the zone where you'd like the lesson or app to reappear. This feature is good for both tabletop and vertical displays. In a front-of-class scenario, 2 or more students can be called to the display to interact with the bottom 2 zones. And then the top 2 zones can be swapped to the bottom to extend the teaching-learning session. You can then use the Zones button to return the screen to the original lesson in full screen mode. Next, I'll demonstrate how to build a new match lesson. Launch the Lessons app found in the Tools section of the main Snowflake MultiTeach menu. This will lead you to the Lessons home screen. Select the Create New Lesson button, which will lead you to the Lesson Type selection screen, where you will select the lesson type. The Manage Content screen for the match lesson appears. Type in the title of the lesson in the top text box. Tap the Create Content button to add each content bar needed for the lesson. Within each content bar, items can be set to display as text only, image only, or text and image, and include audio for this lesson type. Here, I'll enter text items and access images from my computer to complete each content bar. Any text entered in the left side box will appear on the card. Text typed into the right side box will appear beneath the card placeholders. Use the background button located beneath the left text box to import images, and the sound button to import audio if needed. Selecting these buttons will activate the file browser. Note, the handles located on the right side of each content bar let you move them in the order you choose. You can delete a bar by selecting the circle icon located to the left. The preview screen located in the top right of the interface will display items as you work. As you complete making the lesson, the preview screen provides a way to play the lesson and check if any changes are needed. Beneath the preview screen is the text section, where you can select the font, font size, font color, and font shadow for your lesson. In the background section, under Theme, you can choose a Snowflake MultiTeach theme from a drop-down menu for the background of the lesson. Or you can select the green Browse button to open a file browser to select an image from your hard drive or from the internet. Here, I'll change the font color to white to make it easier to read with this background. In the gameplay section, you can select the presentation of items in the lesson to ordered or random. You can also activate and set a timer. The community button lets you upload your lesson directly to the MultiTeach Lessons community if you have previously registered. A dialog box appears where you enter information about your lesson. Then submit. Select the Export button to save the lesson to your hard drive or other storage location. Press play to interact with the lesson in full screen mode. When the lesson is finished, select the corner icon to access the side menu, then close the app. For reference, here is an annotated screenshot of the Match Lesson Manage Content screen. This has been an overview of the Snowflake MultiTeach Match Lesson app. For more information, please visit the NUITEQ website.